Hi everybody, we are receiving a lot of inquiries about how to access tutorials and workshops during this unit. So I'm just quickly recorded this video to show you where to go. So on your TCHR5003 unit site, over on the left under connecting, there is a link that says Collaborate Ultra. Click on that link and it's going to open up a list of all the workshops and tutorials for this unit. Now notice down the bottom that there are 3 pages. We have a lot of tutorials running in this unit, so you need to make sure that you click through and find the one that you are enrolled to attend. From there, each of these is a folder. So let's say, for example, that your timetable says to attend workshop 1 on Mondays at 10. When you click on that folder, it drops down all the weeks. Okay, so this will be the week 1 workshop link. This is week 2 workshop link. Okay, so each week of the unit you will click on a different one and they're listed by date. When these go live, when the session is actually running and your tutor is available, you can click on that link and it will pop up over on the right. There'll be a button here that says Join Session. When you click on that, it will take you to your live workshop or tutorial. Hope this is helpful.